In Beacons.ai, creating and downloading your media kit as a PDF is a straightforward process. First, ensure you have a Beacons.ai account, either free or premium. Navigate to the Media Kit section within your dashboard. Once there, you can add key elements like your bio, follower counts, engagement rates, media samples, images and videos, and pricing information. Customize the kit with your preferred themes, fonts, and colors to align with your brand. When your media kit is complete, locate the Export button, then select Download PDF. This will generate a high-resolution PDF file of your media kit. Note that free plans include a Beacons.ai watermark on the exported PDF. This PDF is now ready to be shared via email, direct URLs, or hosted on your link in bio page. After downloading your Media Kit PDF from Beacons.ai, you have several options for sharing it effectively. The most basic method is to attach it to emails when pitching collaborations to brands or clients. You can also upload it to your website or host it on a cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox. Then share the link. To enhance sharing on social media, consider embedding a QR code directly into the PDF, which, as of Q2 2025, can be done with one-click exports. Sharing a media kit is a great way to showcase statistics, samples, and contact info. Remember that advanced features on paid plans, starting at $10 per month, offer password protection and expiration dates for your shared links.